National news. Ahead of the COVID-19 pandemic, now the world is moving towards the unlock, and India has taken the initiative and opening many things for the basic necessities of the people and the citizens of the India. And now we are moving ahead with the colleges and the schools. UGC, University, has been granted by the main department at his headquarters is situated in the New Delhi. They have given the strict guidelines that should be followed by each and every college where they are going to open, and it has been left to the individual state in which manner, on which date they are going to open the colleges respectively. And many colleges are going to open for compulsory for the postgraduate student, as their final year exam have been upcoming. And there is a main guideline as the hostel students who have been traveling from the other state, they have to be quarantined for the 14 days if they have symptoms, so they cannot reside in the college. And all the facilities or the basic necessities will be provided within the campus, so the students are not needed to go outside there. And they will be called in the half of the population to the colleges, and half of them will be going to continue the online classes. In this manner, they are going to open the colleges. International news. Xinjiang region have become the hub of the nuclear reactors for the China and all over the world. From the 1950s, with the help of the USSR, they have been doing the testing. It is the greatest place, or we can say a greatest hub for the testing purpose of the nuclear reactors and the powers. And after the 800 reactors, they have also going to project the energize in the uranium, and they are going to found more and more materialistic for the nuclear power. And 1/3 of the nuclear energy comes from the Xinjiang region. And in this region, the China authorities have been imposing their rules and the laws very strictly, and they are blackmailing the people and making a hell for them also. So they are threatening even their peoples even, and they are making it as a nuclear project hub for all over the world. Defense news. India has also taken another bow and made another indigenous missile. Pinaka missile system have been successful in the testing purpose in the Odisha. This system have been named on the bow of the Lord Shiva, and this is the indigenous missile system have been made specially for the Aksai Chin, and by the 2024 it will be there on the border between the India China and the India Pakistan. So it is a long range artillery system. Artillery means the tanks, and they have been inculcated so that for the long range it can be hit like a bull's eye. So it is a greater achievement for the DRDO, and the Ministry of Defense have also given a statement that we are upcoming with the more project to modernize and innovate our armed forces. Sports news. Bopana Marek has entered to the quarterfinals of the Paris Master. Nadal has a silent and quiet win towards his 1000th win, and archer Himani Malik has been tested positive for the COVID-19. PQ says the Barcelona is in decline, but he is more confident and clear towards the optimistic in the future. Thank you.